Hi, I'm Renato. I'm here at Total Hemp Company. I'm the grower here, and we doing this grow, which is 2022 grow. We just harvesting time now. We start after the full moon because here at Total Hemp Company we do like biodynamic natural farming. So we follow the moon. We have very healthy plants here this year. We pesticide free, fungicide free. These plants been here for 6 months.
Okay.
They call King G, that's the strain. We had a little bit of King G and Mopas late. They're beautiful. We have some seeds we've been collecting. We've been competing a little bit with the birds because the parrots love the seeds. This is the main reason we collect the seeds is to be exploring new strains. It's the same species but with cross-pollination. So they all look a little bit different. You can see that one there, it's pretty looking more purple than this one is more greener. We growing here for the fiber and for the herd. Fiber it's used for clothing and ropes, which is a very strong material. This year we've been experimenting this is a hemp material. It's hemp mat. It's all made from the fiber, and it's gonna break it down into the soil. So that's another product from hemp which is eco-friendly and helps build up the soil as well. We growing cover crops every year, which is green manure. So every year after the grow, we planted beans and clovers and mustard. So it's all breaking down and building up that organic matter in the soil. Working the soil is #1 here at Total Hemp Company.
Thanks, Renato. Thanks
No
for sharing
worries.
your
Thank
knowledge.
you.
Amazing.